my ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget, I'm here to teach you some basics of Forex, and then we're going to talk about the candlestick patterns, some of the patterns that you can use to make money from Forex trading. All right, so let's begin. Right now, we have the candlestick pattern, as you can see on your screen. Yes, this is a candlestick pattern. Particularly, this candlestick pattern is the hammer. When you talk about the hammer here, you are talking about a particular set of candle that has a very thin body. Particularly, you can call it a wick. And this most times this kind of candle signifies a bullish trend. And this bullish trend can take you, if you see this exactly, if you see this long wick, anytime you see a hammer and a long wick, it's signifying that the bearish strength, the strength of the bears have reduced. So right now, what you should expect from such market is that there's going to be a bullish run. You understand? A bullish trend is about to come in. Yes, because this sign of this long wick candle you're seeing is a sign of rejection. Yeah, it has indicated that there's rejection in the market, that the strength of the BS have reduced. So that's what you need to do. So the next candle we're going to talk about is the hanging man. The hanging man is your basic candlestick pattern. Whenever you see this, it signifies that okay, there was a bullish trend. Like you see from the two green candles you can see from your left, there was a bullish trend. But the hanging man is more like an inverted candle. The candle is facing down with a long wick downwards. Yes, whenever you see this, two things are involved. It signifies that any moment from now, there's uncertainty going on if there's going to be a run, if the run will still continue of the bullish trend, or there's going to be a sudden reversal to the bearish trend. In most cases, when you see these candles, definitely you see two red downward or one red downward. Now, what I will advise from this is that you wait for the second confirmation candle, which is the second stick. When you see it and then you see a little reversal, I can tell you just go into the market and you can come out with something reasonable. All right. Yeah, hello guys. Whenever you are trading and you come across something like the bullish and the bearish penny top, all right, the bullish and the bearish penny top always appears in trade where there is a potential indecision coming up in the market. Let's say, for example, if you are trading on the 5-minute time frame, and then you see this spinning top appearing on your bullish trend, it shows that there is an indecision within this very candle. So it also applies to the bearish spinning top. Okay, whenever you see it, it also shows that there is an indecision because of the two equal wicks, the two wicks that are at the top and at the bottom of these two candles. So that's all about the spinning top. It shows indecision. So always watch out for it. When you see it, you know that okay, this market I can't come in right now. Let me try and see a confirmation candle before I can come into this market. All right, so that you can know when to enter or when not to enter. We have moved to doji right now. So whenever you are trading and you see a candle that has only wicks, is called a gravestone doji. Especially this candle happens at the end of a particular trend. Yes, it happens, it appears always at the end of a particular trend, right? If you are trading or you're about to go into trade and you see this candle, you know that okay, if you are on a bullish trend, you know that yeah, this is a possible reversal, because you know what a doji stands for. Doji is more like an indecision candle and also a stop candle. Whenever it comes, a particular trend must stop wherever you see a doji. If it's going on a buy, there's high tendency that okay, this particular movement has really come to an end. Okay, if it's also on a bearish trend, it shows that okay, this particular movement has come to an end. All right, so be mindful of doji. Doji also functions like gravestone doji functions as a stopper. It also signifies the end of a particular trend, so be mindful of it. Yeah, so this is the long-legged doji. Whenever you see this particular thing, it signifies that a particular trend is losing momentum. If it's on a bearish trend, it shows that this bearish trend is losing momentum. All right, if it's on a bullish trend, it shows that the bullish trend is losing momentum, just like you can see in this particular place, right? Okay, so look at this long-legged doji here. Whenever I see it at the top of a trade or at the bottom of a trade, there's an impending reversal about to come in. So be mindful of it too. All right. So talking about dragonfly doji functions like the gravestone doji, but it's just the opposite of the gravestone doji. Most time dragonflies dojis appears in a bullish trend. Whenever there's a bullish trend and then you see a dragonfly appearing, it signifies that the strength of the bulls have reduced and there's going to be a stop to this very movement. So whenever you see a dragonfly like this, you know that it is the next candle is going to be a bearish candle. There's a possibility of a bearish trend coming up. So be mindful when you see this. All right. So that's what we're talking about. Yeah, classic doji. Classic doji. When we talk about classic doji, doji generally signifies that you will see both the upper and the lower body is a wick. Sometimes the whole body is always a wick candle. You understand? So when you are trading and you come across wicks, generally it shows that there is no much trading activities going on within this candle. It shows there's a consolidation. So and whenever there's consolidation, the market is not moving up, neither is it going down. So it's just on a straight line or it's just going on a zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. All right. So you just need to be patient. If you are a trader and you swing trade or you scalp, there are principles you can use also on doji trade, but it's very risky. You don't know when the market may just go up or come down. So in a consolidations like this, you just have to wait. You need to wait for your confirmation candle. So like you can see, we have the bullish doji and we have the bearish doji. All right, the bullish doji when it always appears at the end of a particular trade. All right, both the bullish and the bearish doji. All right, so be mindful of doji generally in a trade. Whenever you are seeing a trade, it should signify a close of a trend and an impending decision to be made that the trend will continue or there's going to be a reversal. So whenever you are trading and you come across doji simply means you should dodge it. Doji, dodge it. Doji, dodge it. Right, guys, you can see right now this candle we're talking about is a shooting star. What does a shooting star signify? The shooting star, whenever you are trading and you are, let's say for example, you are on a bullish trend and the shooting stars appear, it is a clear indication that there's going to be a reversal, either a long reversal or a slight reversal before you continue on the trend, or possibly there's going to be a long reversal. So whenever you are seeing a shooting star, what does the shooting star does? The shooting star always comes in when it's on a bullish trend. When it's on this bullish trend, you only see a shooting star at the end of that trend. It shows the loss of momentum, it shows the loss of strength, and then it shows that there's an impending force that is fighting the current market. So whenever you are seeing a bullish trend and then a shooting stars appears, just like in the sky, when you look up at the middle of the night, in the middle of the night or at night, and you see a shooting star falling, that's what it indicates here. When you see a shooting stars always falls. You understand? Shooting stars don't go up. When they appear, it shows that there's going to be a fall. So let's take this into your mind. Whenever you're trading and you see this, please don't go into the market, because it signifies that that very trend has lost momentum. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget, likes and subscribe. Yeah, we have gone through all these candles. We've talked about doji, we've talked about all of them. So please don't forget, subscribe, subscribe, like this video, share it so that we can do more videos. Encourage us to do more video. Encourage me to do more video for you. I can take you through different kind of candles. This is just the basis of Forex, and then we shall come back again when we go into live trading. I'm going to show you some of the strategies I use to trade daily. All right, I do swing trade and I also do scalping. You understand? So we're going to show you some of the principles on how you can trade and make some good money for yourself and stop losing in trade. Okay, so see you, love you.